अपना अपना टिकट ले लिया चलो।
The island of Gharapuri, the city of caves, situated about 10 km from Mumbai, on the east side of the harbour, owes its name to the enormous stone elephant found there by Portuguese navigators. This elephant was cut into pieces, removed to Mumbai and somehow put together again. It is today the melancholy guardian of Victoria Garden Zoo in Mumbai, the great metropolis of Maharashtra State and India's second city population.
नरो है
The island of Elephanta, the glorious abode of Lord Shiva, and an epitome of Hindu cave culture, consists of 7 caves on an island in the Sea of Oman close to Mumbai, which, with their decorated temples and the images from Hindu mythology, bear a unique testimony to a civilization that has disappeared. Here, Indian art has found one of its most perfect expressions, particularly in the huge high reliefs in the main cave.
अबे अंदर से पूछना है यार, हमने लगा इधर से घुसो उधर से निकलो।
The date of the famous Elephanta caves is still very much debated and varies from the 6th century to the 8th century according to different specialists. They constitute one of the most striking collections of rock art in India. There are 2 groups of caves. To the east, Stupa Hill, thus named because of a small brick Buddhist monument at the top contains 2 caves, one of which is unfinished, and several cisterns. To the west, the larger group consists of 5 rock-cut Hindu shrines. The main cave is universally famous for its carvings to the glory of Shiva, who is exalted in various forms and actires. The cave consists of a square plan mandapa, whose sides measure about 27 mm.